After 21 hours of intense negotiations, no deal, no peace. And now, the world may be closer to a bigger conflict. The United States and Iran held historic direct talks in Islamabad, Pakistan, the highest level meeting since 1979. Mediated by Pakistan, attended by top leaders including US Vice President J.D. Vance. Goal: stop escalating war, secure ceasefire, stabilize oil routes. But this wasn't just diplomacy. This was about war, oil, and global power balance. Talks lasted 21 hours straight, covered nuclear program, sanctions relief, Strait of Hormuz control, regional conflicts Lebanon, Israel. Result: no agreement, talks collapsed. Both sides walked away blaming each other. US, Iran refused key conditions. Iran, US made unrealistic demands. Was it a failure or success? X, why it's a failure. No deal after marathon talks. No ceasefire extension guarantee. No nuclear agreement. No sanctions clarity. Pure diplomatic stalemate. Tensions actually increased. US considering blockade of Strait of Hormuz. Iran tightening control over oil routes. This is escalation, not peace. Risk of war is back. Fragile ceasefire may collapse. Israel-Lebanon conflict still active. Region still on the brink. Economic impact worsens. Oil prices expected to rise. Global markets unstable. Everyone, including India, gets affected. Why it's not a complete failure? Direct talks happened. This itself is huge. First major face-to-face in decades, shows both sides still open to dialogue. Communication channels remain open. Even after failure, no full breakdown of diplomacy. Future talks still possible. War didn't restart yet. Ceasefire still holding for now. No immediate escalation. That's a temporary success. Real reason talks failed. Core conflicts, nuclear issue.
Analysis: it was a heavy tension, with US asking for no nuclear weapons and Iran refusing to give up control. There was a huge sanctions versus reparations conundrum, as Iran wanted frozen money released and compensation for war. Sanctions were heavily pushed. The Strait of Hormuz was a key geostrategic point, as Iran wanted control leverage while US wanted free access. A decade of mistrust was the biggest barrier, as both sides didn't believe each other. This had a huge global impact as it impacted oil and economy. The Strait of Hormuz accounted for roughly 20% of world oil supply. Any disruption caused fuel prices to rise. It had an impact on India, as petrol and diesel prices may increase. Inflation pressure would mount and import bills would rise. Stock markets may become volatile, as risk sentiment increased globally. There were several possible scenarios. Talks resuming were the best case, as diplomatic progress would slowly build. Cold standoff was the most likely, as there would be no war, no peace. Conflict escalation was the worst case, as there would be a strait blockade and regional war would spread. The short answer was, this round was a failure tactically, but not strategically. The long answer was, it failed to deliver results. It increased tensions, but kept diplomacy alive. Peace was within reach, but mistrust pulled it apart. Now the real question is, will the next round bring peace or push the world into something far worse?